Hi, welcome back to the channel. And today I want to show you how I do my face. I want you to get ready with me, and even before we go, as you can see, I am in my bedroom. That's my bed. I know you can see the tip, and that's my son's coat, baby coat. Yeah, I want to do my face and show you how I do it. And before, I want to show you also some products, some packages. I have two packages that I got from Aliexpress, and guys, within 2 weeks, these products were here in Kenya, and I'm so grateful for that. I'm going to start with this one. The first one is this eyelashes. As you can see, there are so many. They are 10 of them, and I want to just teach myself or train myself on how to do this, because I don't know how to do my eyes, even the eyeshadows. I'm not so good at that. Yeah, these were going for 200 bob plus shipping was 80 something, so I got these at exactly 280. When the products get here in Kenya, before zilikuwa zinaenda poster, because I usually ship small things, zilikuwa zinaenda poster, but nowadays I don't know how it functions, because zililetwa hadi kwa gate at free of charge. Yeah, they were exactly free of charge. I got this, and this had a free gift. These ones were coming with a free gift at Aliexpress of this. This is like the holder. This is the holder that unatumia kuweka the lash on your eye. I'm going to train myself, but for today I'm not going to be using it because stacking kukaa awkward, and I don't want to go feeling kama I'm not comfortable. I also got this. These are makeup brushes, and honestly, I thought they were bigger than this. Yeah, these makeup brushes, as you can see, there are so many. They are a pack of 12. These are 2. They are many. There are so many. They are around 10 or 12. I'm not sure about the exact number. Yeah, as you can see, they are still new. They were, but I thought, guys, they were bigger than this. Yeah, and the packaging, they came in this package. They didn't like have its package, but they're good. As you can see, at 300 bob, I guess that's a save. I also sold this in Dubai, and they were going for 5 something, and it's a save, guys. I saved something. And all these makeup brushes, I mean, I'm about to become the queen of paka makeup. And I also got another package. These are press on nails. This and this. These are 24, 48. They were 200, 400, and free shipping for both of them. Let me open one of them, and so that you can see how. Yeah, these are the nails. As you can see here, they are a total of 24. They are not of that good quality, but they are nice. I'm going to try them, but not today again, because nataka kwenda nikiwa very comfortable. And the glue is here. You detach this, unaweka kwa kucha. It's double-sided, and then you stick on the nail. Yeah, I'm going to show you how I do that, but not in this video. We have that, and we also have this. They're so cute. Both of them are so cute. Let's get into doing my face, and before, I want to show you this and give a review of it. I have been using this. This is Garnier. I don't know how you can see it on your side. It's Garnier Dark Spot Corrector, and guys, as you can see my skin, I don't know whether you can see so well. The dark spots have cleared. I used to have the small spots, but they've cleared. I've been using it twice. When I started, I was using one and I didn't see so much difference, but once I started using these twice in the evening before I sleep and in the morning before I step out or before I do anything, just wash my face and then I use this, and this is what I'm still using right now. Nimeona so much difference. Yeah, I can say it works, but you have to be consistent. Ukitumia consistently, you're going to see the results. If you do not use it consistently, I don't think you're going to see the results. It's going for between 5 and 600 bob, and it perfectly works. Yeah guys, let's get into doing the face, and I am using just a few products because I don't know how to do makeup that well, but guys, I am using this Maybelline. This is a Fit Me foundation, and this one is a primer. Hii ni ya Dubois. This one is Maybelline. I'm not sure what that means, but let's get into doing this. I start with the primer. This is the primer. It's called Master Primer. Yeah. After the primer, I go in with I used to mix this and this, but lately I just want to use this because my skin is a bit clear right now. I'm going to be using the new brushes. Also, I don't want an exaggerated makeup. I just want something minimal to just make my face not so shiny. Just something minimal. I am getting eye bags. I'm getting dark eyes, and sijui ni kwa nini guys, I'm getting dark eyes, and it's really bothering me because it's not like I do makeup each and every day. No, I do makeup. For example, the last time I made makeup was last Sunday. Imagine, last Sunday was the last day I wore makeup, and guys, I'm getting dark eyes. What's the solution for that? I don't know. Can you guys see the difference? Can you guys see the difference in my face? I guess these brushes are doing a good job. Not I guess, I can say they're doing even though they are so small, they're doing a good job. And this here is already done. It's have served its purpose. It's time just to have it undone and say that it has served me well. I have another brush here that's so messy. I'm going to wash even this one. I'm not going to use it at this point. I'm going to wash it. In the meantime, I'll be using the new brushes. The powder that I'm using, I'm using this powder because yeah, I've been using it for such a long time, by the way. And this time round, I'm not going to mix brushes. If it's for foundation like this one, I wanted to stick with foundation. If it's for powder, I'm going to like make it stick with powder because I have options. Oh my god, it's so small. I need a bigger one. Let me just go in with this because it's a bit bigger. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Can you see the difference with and without the makeup? I just want something minimal and something that I'm going to be comfortable with. On my eyes, guys, I don't have even that brush for the eyes. I used to have it and I thought this package would have one. I guess they had said it will have one, but it didn't come with one. So I'm just going to go in. This is my eyeshadow, and I'm so ashamed because it's so old, but it's alright. I'm just going to use it the way it is. Not even sure which brush to use for the eyes. I guess this one is nice for the eyes. I'm going to do a pink dress, so I'm going to use. Oh my god. As I've said, guys, I am not so good at makeup. I'm just trying out things. So, kina nimefanya vibaya. But I'm trying to learn. Najifunza pande ya YouTube kwa Rosina Sharon, Joanna K, Michelle. Najifunza, and I want to just perfect my skin someday. I don't know whether you can see how my makeup, my eyes looks like, but I know I'm going the opposite direction, but guys, I'm not the pro. I should have started with my eyes, I know, but I'm going to finish with my eyes because I also have this for the eyes, but I'm not going to use it because this is a trial and error. I'm not a pro, so I just want something that's going to make me feel comfortable. Look at my eyelashes. I'm going to be very comfortable with them, guys. In case you're wondering, I will be super comfortable. I got it also from Aliexpress. Don't ask me the name, but it's so good and inafanya poa sana. I love it. I don't like the eyes, the eyebrows, and I'm going just to wrap them and stay without them because I don't want embarrassments. I am also going to accessorize with my earrings. Before I go on with the earrings, I'm going to use the final product I'll be using on my face is this. I also have this, but I don't know how to name my edges. I'm just going to rate them. No, I'm going to just try do something, but I'm not so good at these things. I'm just like trying to train myself how to do them. How they come out. So let me just try and lay them nicely. I have a mirror over there and that's the best I can do. That is the best I can do, and that is it. I'm just going to just dress up and get out of this house right now because it's already 1:30 and by 2, but then I'm not late. I'm right on time because by 2 we should be leaving by 2. I'm going with my bro, so I am right on time. I'm also going to accessorize with earrings. Yeah, that's all. And I'm just going to dress up. And we can go. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.